All right, hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. So I just got done with this project. Like, it is fresh, okay? Like, this one is still drying. It's not even done. But I had so much fun with this. This does take time. The only reason why it does take time is just to dry. These are the charger plates with the inserts. I made inserts for just these regular silver ones, such as this. You guys know I am a Wonder Woman fan. Only love can truly save the world. Look at that. That came out beautiful. And I made that to go with the bigger one, the bigger plate that I made. Look at that. And I used that on one of those Dollar Tree things. Yeah, y'all, look at that. That came out beautiful. Love it. As well as I also made one for the holidays, for Halloween, to decorate the table. Or, you put another bowl or a plate on it with some food. You good to go. You can serve cupcakes or something on this. It will be beautiful. So, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and get into the tutorial and show you guys exactly how I made this. You can also take what I did and apply it to smaller plates and make like some dinner sets, you guys. I love the comic book one. I love it. Okay, so that's enough. We're going to get up into this tutorial and I will see you guys soon. Alright, you guys, so I have my charge plate that I'm going to be using. I got this from Dollar Tree. They did not have the regular, gold and silver, so I had to go with one of these plastic things. I've never done this, and you guys know Halloween is right around the corner, so I'm going to be using some of this just because I think it goes with the holiday season. As well as I'm going to be doing Wonder Woman because that is my favorite character. So I got to make me one of that, one of her. So I just got this fabric from Walmart, nothing special. Pretty much what I'm going to be doing is just gluing this down with Mod Podge onto the plastic charger. So I'm just going to go ahead and peel that back, get my Mod Podge. My camera is acting real funky. Oh my Jesus. Stop it. Alright, what I'm going to do now is just pour. Pretty much just put the Mod Podge on. And then I'm just going to pretty much spread this Mod Podge all around. Let me wet the brush a little bit, wet it in some water. And you definitely want to make sure that you do your edges. Your edges are very important. But again, as I said, hey, I've never done this. So we are definitely doing this together. I'm excited to see how this is going to turn out, because if this is the case and this turns out like really cute, I can just decorate these for like all the holidays, especially for Christmas. Shoot, cheap little project. Is that I don't want that. I'm trying to make sure I get everything, while at the same time using enough. Definitely want to make sure it has more than it needs on here, just because I just don't know. I'm doing this at night, that way this can dry overnight, and then I will come back and do the rest of it in the morning. I'm going to make sure there are no spots. Alright, I think I pretty much covered the whole thing. Now I'm just going to go ahead and lay this thing on and press it. Ew, it's kind of, this is definitely a messy craft because I can feel all the glue, you guys. Like, I can feel it. I guess that's something that we want. I don't know. But I'm just telling you, I can definitely feel the glue. Y'all, I watched so many videos of this, and some people use pillowcases, some people use napkins, some people use tissue paper. You do not have to use fabric, but this is just what I had lying around on hand. And then once they did that, where's my brush? Okay, I lost my brush. They went on ahead and added the Mod Podge over it. Ew! That one looked gross. Yeah, it looked like there's a string in there. Get that out of there. Okay, so now you just want to rub everything all in. Make sure everything is coated. And for this, I would not want this layer to be thick. Because you don't want no line. I don't think you want any lines in it. So, but like I said, again, I don't know. I've never done this. Make sure you get your edges. Edges are really, really, really important. I'm kind of using the brush as like a tool to press it down onto the you know, the plastic, I guess. All right, I'm going to go ahead and keep doing this, let it dry, and then I'll be back in the morning. All right, you guys, so it is the next morning. My plates are completely dry. You guys, these look awesome. They look amazing. So what I'm going to do right now is just go around, you know, the edges and just cut off the excess fabric, and then I will be right back. Okay, now when I cut these two, I did cut these two different. As you can see on this one, I left excess. That way I can just go around the edges and glue it, which is what I've seen some people do. But on this one, you guys, I just love this plate. Oh my God, I love it. Okay, so on this one, I didn't leave no excess. As you see, there's no excess, and it just looks beautiful. It looks like a clean finish. You really can't see anything. So I think I'm just going to go back and clean up the edges on this one now. I mean, and it's not, nothing is peeling. You know what I'm saying? It looks great. So I'm going to go ahead and recut this one. I'm just going to cut the whole thing. And that is pretty much it. You can leave your plates just like this. Oh my goodness, you guys. I love how these came out. Y'all, I'm going to put this one on my goddamn table. I'm going to put this up as some wall decor. This is beautiful, and I love Wonder Woman. I just love her so much. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray this with some glitter spray, and then I'm going to cover it with some soft touch varnish, smooth velvety finish. This is what I also put on to seal my the reborn dolls that I do. So I'm going to do that, cross my fingers, and hope it turn out cute. Okay, you guys, so my charger plates are done, and I have these little, silver plates that I also got from Dollar Tree as well. I went on ahead and made some inserts for these. I'm going to use this on my Wonder Woman. It says, "Only love can truly save the world." You guys, I love it. I love it. I will have the measurements to the inserts on my Patreon page. Y'all, I went on ahead, excuse me, and put some bling up on the Wonder Woman. I don't know if y'all can see it, but this plate is like really, it's blinging. Y'all can't even see it, but y'all, this plate is filled with like glitter, and I just love it. It's still drying, so you gotta excuse it. It is still drying, but you guys, that is just going to be beautiful. Yeah, I think I'm going to have this as, yeah, this is the front. This is the top. And it's going to be like this. I just want to go and make some more of these. It turns out beautiful. It's still drying. This one I am going to leave as is because, like I said, this one is for, the holiday season, Halloween. So I just want to leave this one as it is because it's pretty on its own. And then, you can decorate that with little plates as well. Or you could also go around, put some trim on it. You guys, get creative with this. But, yeah, I just wanted to show, I guess, a way for decorating. And you guys, I really like this. Like, even this on its own is cute. You get one of them little stands and set it up somewhere. This on its own is cute. So I'll have measurements for these on my Patreon page. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.